looking for a beautiful home in Plant City, Florida, this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, plus an office, is absolutely gorgeous. It's located on the water, close to I-4. This has it all. First walk in this home, you're going to see how nice and open it is. You've got an office on the left, ceramic tile flooring. It's got double windows for plenty of natural light. This home is absolutely immaculate. Straight ahead, you're going to love the large living room. Plenty of natural light here. Again, ceramic tile flooring, so it's great for wear and tear and kids and pets and everything. And then it walks into the large dining area. They've got a nice farm table here, which is perfect for family meals. And then you can actually overlook the small lake right in back. It's got a huge backyard. In the kitchen, you're gonna see granite countertops, plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space, stainless steel appliances. It has a closet pantry, which is great for food storage. Plus, it's got a large 3-car garage, ideal for storage or to put your vehicles. So when you first come up the stairs, you're gonna love the open bonus room. This is ideal to hang out and watch TV, have family time, put the teenagers up here whenever they're annoying you, whatever you wanna do. It's a great place just to kind of spread out and hang out. The master bedroom is absolutely huge. Plenty of space in this gorgeous master bedroom. So when you walk into the master bathroom, it has separate vanities with lots of cabinet and drawers for your storage space. And the master closet has its own window. That's how big it is. This is immaculate. Plenty of space for clothes and storage and whatever you need to do. And then there's another 3 bedrooms that have nice sized closets. Another full bathroom with a shower tub combination, double sinks, high countertops. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.